about you?
I am fine. First, go to bathroom for washing your hands.
Now I have to wash my hands.
Now have some water, Elisha.
Thanks. May I throw this water? Because this water is so pithy.
Yes, Elisha, you may throw this water. Who are you both? We are you from future.
You are wasting water.
I saw Elisha. She was wasting the water while washing her hands.
Now I have to wash my hands. Now we both are going to tell you that how you can husband the water.
You both don't know water is so indispensable and imperative, and we should husband and